So, folks, we like to say good morning to all of you, our viewers. This is Afric Media. My name is Enoch Zuo II, and we are currently on the grounds of the Temple of Justice in Monrovia, Liberia. Today, as expected, the ruling into the most expected case involving members of the majority bloc who are the anti-Koffa bloc, and the other side that is being considered as the Koffa bloc was expected to be heard today. The ruling was expected to take place today. It has been spread on various social media platforms prior to this decision. But just a couple of minutes ago, let's say an hour now, it has been made known that the ruling will not be heard today as initially planned. We are yet to know the actual reasons for which the ruling will not be heard today. We've been told it should have been heard this morning at about 11 o'clock here at the Temple of Justice, where both parties from the majority bloc, which are seeking the removal of Speaker Fodanti Koffa, they believe, in fact, the process has already been done. And also the other side, which is the Koffa bloc. But the ruling will not be heard today as planned initially. So we currently on the grounds of the Temple of Justice. We have been here for a couple of minutes, and we have just received the information that the ruling will not be heard as initially planned. But as it stands, both parties remain by their decision. We have attended a couple of press conferences being held by members of the majority bloc and members of the Koffa bloc, and especially the Koffa bloc maintains their position that they are not going to bow down to any pressure, or neither will Fodanti Koffa resign as speaker until the needful is done, which is the law is being practicalized, the law is being implemented. And of recent, they have also recommitted themselves to respecting any decision that will be made by the Supreme Court. If the Supreme Court rule in their favor, they're going to honor that decision, and they're similarly going to honor the decision of the Supreme Court if the body also rules against them. So that is, if the body also rule in favor of the majority bloc, they're going to honor that decision because of the belief and respect the law and constitution of Liberia. So if that happens, Honorable Fodanti Koffa will resign. So they stand by their word. They're not going to fall to pressure. They're not going to resign. The speaker is not going to resign until the rightful thing is done, especially with constitutional proceedings. So on the other side, the majority bloc have already said they have, as a matter of fact, they have removed Fodanti Koffa as speaker. A couple of weeks ago, we did attend the session being organized by the majority bloc within the Joint Chamber, where the speaker position was being declared vacant. In an hour time, nominations were done, and Maserati County Representative Richard Kuhn was being nominated, and he got elected on a white ballot, and he also got inducted into office that same day. In just an hour, all of those processes were done. But we as Liberians have been expecting this decision or this ruling to take place today. Unfortunately, it did not happen, but we are yet to know the actual reason. We have been told that one of the parties was not given a citation. So that means they did not receive any communication regarding today's ruling that was expected to be held today. Initially, the Supreme Court has ordered both parties to return to court status. And we were also on the grounds of the Capitol building yesterday. We did not witness, for the time I was on the grounds of the Capitol building yesterday, I did not witness any member of the majority bloc, the chairperson, Representative Samuel Koga from District Number 5, Nimba County, who happens to be one of the longest serving representatives. We did not witness his arrival or his presence on the grounds of the Capitol building, including other members that make up the majority bloc. Even from the side of the speaker, I can admit that I saw the speaker vehicle but I did not set eyes on him for the length of time I was on the grounds of the Capitol building yesterday. Apparently he came, but that was later or before our arrival on the grounds of the Capitol building. So keep following Afrique Media. We're going to give you update as soon as possible, just in case another date will be announced for this hearing today between the majority bloc and the speaker in the Koffa bloc. We've been told it will be rescheduled anytime today, but we don't know the actual day yet. Thanks to all of you for watching. This is Afrique Media. My name is Enoch Zuo II.